How to manage community awards on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage community awards on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, activity log. Click on it and then just go down, click groups, communities, events and reels, and then go down here. You will find community awards. Click on it, and here you can manage community awards on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and watch this video until the end, and see you in the next video.